I used to wake up and instantly grab my phone. No thoughts, no plan, just endless scrolling. Dopamine hit after dopamine hit, and yet I felt empty, lazy, unmotivated. The smallest task felt like climbing a mountain. But then I found something that changed everything. Dopamine detox, not a trend, not a gimmick, just a reset, a way to take my brain back from the chaos. For 1 week, I stopped chasing easy rewards. No social media, no video games, no junk food, just the basics: reading, walking, thinking, boredom. And you know what happened? At first, it was horrible. I felt restless, like something was missing. But day by day, my mind quieted. I started craving real effort, real focus, real life. The things I used to avoid. Working out, studying, cleaning, suddenly, they felt good. That's when I realized it wasn't that I was lazy, it was that my brain had been hijacked. Dopamine detox gave me control back. Now I don't need motivation, because I enjoy doing hard things. The pain feels meaningful, the challenge feels exciting. You don't need to fix yourself, you need to retrain your brain. Step back from the noise, let your mind breathe again. Dopamine detox isn't easy, but it's freedom. And if you give it time, you'll start to love the things you once feared. Because discipline, that's the real high.